And you can do half nail. You can do is cascade style. Look at the first. Where does that come from? Estiland? Did I say it right? Hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you all have a fabulous day. Make sure you go into the cuticle. It's really good because sometimes you miss the cuticle, it will not transfer. All right, so here for 30 seconds. Hello, Ash, how are you? Great live today. I got to watch it after. I was busy working in the office today, so I didn't get to Amy, did I say it right? Amy Dell nail designer. Hey, I'm well. I can't wait to see what you're gonna come up, what content you are going to create. All right. I'm just wipe my nails off. So with this foil, you can go a different way. Oh, make a little scratch right there. I'm gonna go ahead and use this so then it covers whole entire my nails. Let's see, more line. Run in the centers first. On the side. You can see it's come off for me already. Like I have a mirror chrome. So awesome. Now make sure they are going to covers everything. If you're missing it, lay it back up. Wow. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Missing these edges because I didn't rub. Put it back up. It's so like sticky. Ta-da! It's cool though. Oh, I'm loving it. This is from the box number 80. Is that 80?
80.
Yes, it's 80. It has so I really tempting try this one earlier too. This one is so gorgeous. Maybe I should do that one because it's go perfect with this nail. Ta-da! I should. Dom, I'm loving it. All right. Hi, Pepsi B. Should I do that once on the next nails?
Might as well.
Ah, I like that. All right, that's it. No crystal. Just kidding. We'll put some crystal on it.
Can you put another flower on it?
Huh? Another flowers? I would. I love
Just the
it.
back rest of blank, so you have a matte flower there. Balance it out.
Oh. I got like a flower fish too. But I like this set. I got it for my 3rd year's anniversary. I can use this one. It's gonna pop out really cool though. So let's apply that on to give it some cute look. It's so shiny. So if I miss anyone's comments, I will try. to condensed glue gels. Just wonder if you, in case you're curious what I'm using, and no wipe top coat. You know what? Do this one in shiny and the other one matte. How does that look? Matte on the like a chrome look.
Sure, you can try. See if it.
Is tone it down?
Through. It will tone it down for sure. But hey, might as well do it. So if this look good now, then everybody know.
It's so bright though. Do those two. That's look beautiful in the flowers. All right, flowers or transcended crystal. Oh, almost spill it.
Flowers.
Flower? You guys just like, I want flowers.
That blue.
This blue?
Nice. The sky blue is really nice.
This one?
The other one.
This one? This one?
Yeah.
This one? Oh, this one is cute too.
Mm-hmm.
It's really cute. You can do it right here. You can do it right here. Doesn't matter. All right, look. That's it. And then guess what? I did it on purpose because I can use my other crystal in it. Really bright and nice. I want to do is like kind of balance it out. So I'm gonna go in, in this case, my centerpiece is my flowers, and then I'm using all other is pieces of the crystals to go around with that. Oh, anyway, this one is a glow in the dark crystal though, so it's gonna glow really cute for us. I'm so excited because after the live, Vicky will go live with us and she is going to share really cool like liquid and powder techniques. It's gonna be a later tutorials. I want that. So if you don't want any crystals on and somehow, some way, definitely feel free. You can stop right there and top coat. Here for 60 seconds and yours like absolutely good to go. But if you want to get a little bit more fancier, like much fancier, I mean, you can definitely add more crystal on. Sorry if I don't respond anyone, I will try. And lately I have my hubby making some time and help me. Sometimes I'm by myself. Most of the time. I pull him off from working in the office. So then he can help doing a video for us. All right, so I'm putting a bead between my crystals. I hope I get okay for all of you. You don't want beads, you can stop at the crystal placement if you want to edit more on it to make it looks really, really, really like a jewelry look. Definitely can add it on. Looks cute though. I didn't want to cover everything. But this one is going to be a cool glow in the dark for us. Ta-da! Alright, here for 60 seconds. Should I do? Hold on. Here. Yes and no, no and yes.
Okay, then keep doing.
I can only do simple ones like for the butterflies. The one I did. Like this one. Super cute, right? Now we're going a little bit fun for this one. You never go wrong with this frame. I am loving it. So how you're gonna place a frame it looks good, you don't have to worry about how it is. Just place them in, and between the crystal you get the two crystal connect together. It's actually showing really nice. All right, it looks closer. Look closer. Looks so bright though. Here for 60 seconds.